Absolute Completions Technology is an engineering, design, and manufacturing company. We specialize in sand control, flow control, and erosion control. We export over 85% of our product to more than 40 countries. We have recently developed an automated machining cell to manufacture dynamic flow control devices. These devices are used for sand control and hydraulic fracture stimulation for well improvement.
So at the end of the day, we think if we're innovative, if we produce our technologies in an efficient way, if they're appropriately priced, and if we add value by improving efficiencies in our customers' wells, that we can actually invest more here. We can put more people to work here, and that's ultimately what we want to do. We're in the business of helping our clients build better wells, and we're doing that by giving them technologies to help solve sand control and flow control problems. So what you're going to see is a facility which occupies about 6,500 square feet, and it's comprised of 5 discrete machines serviced by robots. And those machines include mills, lathes, fully automated CMM, which is a measurement center for Q&A, and a laser marking machine. The goal of this development was that we would put raw material in one end and extract complete QA inspected, marked parts at the other end with no human intervention in between. And I think we've pretty much got there. A PremiumPort valve is a dynamic flow control system. It's something you can change over time. It's something you can adapt over the life of the well. We can match them up with all kinds of different filter media. This type of tool really advances the capability of the industry. What we want to do is improve the efficiency of steam injection and production so that we can overcome viscosity effects. Okay? All of these things make the wells our customers drill more productive, more efficient, means they need to use less energy, drill fewer wells, have smaller surface impacts. All of this is good. Our success yields success for our customers, for our partners, our employees, and for our shareholders. And we are successful here at Absolute.